Welcome back to the Next Gen online video tutorial. In today's video, we're going to talk about the functionality of the family unit in EHR. According to Next Gen, the family unit enables you to group patients together under a certain name or category. This module can be utilized a number of different ways, such as grouping family members together or patients together that are going to undergo a selected study. So with that said, let's go ahead and talk about how to do that. So right now we're in CASI tests. In order to get to family unit, you need to go to the top left corner, hit file, and come down to family unit and go to unit setup when you want to add in a new family member. From there, you're going to go ahead and click in a name. We've already set up a test environment, so we'll search test and then select OK. From there, we can see we already have Donna test and Cassie test that we have grouped as sisters. Let's say we also want to add MAGA test as well. So we'll come here to our different identifiers that we can use to search for a new patient. We'll go ahead and search by last name. And this is where we can scroll down to find MAGA test. And we'll just double click on the patient that we want to move over to our current members list. Let's say we did on accident, we just highlight her name and use this arrow pointing to the left to erase that family unit. Otherwise, just double click and you can move them over. Now from there, you'll currently see that there's no relationship established just yet. So once again, highlight that patient, come down to relationship, and it's here that you can find your previous relationships that you've entered, or you can go ahead and type up here a new relationship, click add, and it'll organize your family unit under that name. But we'll keep it to sisters for now. Select OK, and we can now see that we established the relationship, and then the final step is to apply and OK. So now that we've learned how to add in new family members to a family unit, let's say we were in CASI test and we wanted to quickly jump to MAGA test or Donna test in our family unit. So once again, we go to File, Family Unit, but except in this time we would click Member History. And this is where we can see our family name, which we labeled as test, our three sisters, and we're currently in CASI test. So let's just jump into MAGA tests chart. Highlight her name, select Make Current Patient, and then hit OK. And this will move you into her chart, and then you can quickly view by jumping into SOAP maybe that patient's past histories or whatever else you found relevant to that patient's family unit. All right. In quick review, come to File, Family Unit. You go to Unit Setup to assign new family members into a group of your choosing, and then you can come to Member History in order to find your unit and then jump in between patients within that unit. Thank you very much for your time.